Another new arrival, how about the 1968 Ford Mustang GT California Special, one of my favorite cars that we have in. Lime gold over black. You say, lime gold? What color is that? Well, it's greenish. It's limey.
It is. It's a tinge of gold.
Yeah, I don't get the gold part.
No,
do you?
no.
It's like carousel red in the GTO we talked about last week too. This one, lime gold over black, won a 4,118 AACA winner. It's got the J Code 302 in it, which is a great engine. 115,000 actual miles, but I mean, about as flawless a restoration as you'll find.
It's very nice.
Nicely done. Very surprised that it's still here, but
me too.
Here it is. C4 automatic too, so it's a little easier to drive, and you know what? People are more and more okay with automatic transmissions. It's even in a Shelby GT500. Used to be that an automatic transmission would be like, oh God, I really don't want that. But you know what? You realize it's easier to drive. It doesn't feel like it's shaking its bones out of its, coming out of its suit, if you will,
right.
When you're running down the highway at 60 miles an hour. And it's not a bad way to drive. So.
Hey, had a Grand National for years and didn't complain about it not having a shifter.